Hello everyone, I am Sanidhya Singh of class 1. Today I am going to speak some lines on our best friends, that is the plant. Plants are living things. The main parts of plants are root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. Plants need sunlight, air, water and soil to grow. They are our best friends. They give us oxygen to breathe. They also gives us many more things like food, medicines, rubber, cotton and wax. Plants give shelters to birds and small animals. Plants make environment clean. We cannot live without plants. So we grow more and more plants, safe plants,